Introducing the Dragon Series by Fractal Works, big on performance and speed, built for industrial-grade printing with unmatched versatility. The Dragon Series offers a massive build volume of up to 700 by 600 by 400 millimeters. Powered by a hybrid core XY system and direct drive extruder, Dragon brings both speed and accuracy, with print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and a swappable hot end that goes up to 300 degrees Celsius, and bed temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Whether it's PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, or advanced CF nylon composites, Dragon handles them all. What really sets the Dragon apart is its ability to print engineering-grade materials reliably. That's what makes it a true industrial-grade 3D printer. Take FRABS, for instance. It's UL94V0 certified, which means it's flame retardant, perfect for high-performance automotive applications or any environment where safety and durability matter. Then there's Nylon 12 carbon fiber. It combines the toughness of nylon with the rigidity of carbon fiber. That balance of strength and lightness makes it ideal for manufacturing tools, jigs, and fixtures, as well as parts where the strength-to-weight ratio is critical, like in drones or aerospace components. And when you move to PC and PCCF blends, you're unlocking serious heat resistance. With heat deflection temperatures reaching up to 120 degrees Celsius, you can trust your parts to perform even in high-temperature environments. These materials, and many more, take 3D printing far beyond just prototyping. Dragon 3D printer is equipped with a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, equipped with multiple connectivity options like USB port, lets you print files directly from a flash drive. Wi-Fi enables wireless file uploads, Ethernet support for network printing, features like filament runout detection, and a fully enclosed passive heated chamber make it a reliable addition to your workflow. Powered by Fractory, our intelligent slicing software designed for professional workflows. Simply import your 3D model, select from optimized material profiles, and fine-tune speed, temperature, and support settings in seconds. With one-click export to USB, your ideas move from design to print effortlessly. Stay in control from anywhere with live monitoring. Monitor live prints via webcam feed, track temperatures and progress, and send G-code commands in real time. Available in multiple sizes: Dragon 400, Dragon 500, and Dragon 700. There's a Dragon for your application needs. Whether you're prototyping for aerospace, creating jigs for assembly lines, or pushing research in material science, Dragon helps bring ideas to life. Backed by over a decade of 3D printing excellence, Fractal Works offers world-class technical support, learning resources, and application engineering. Because with Fractal, you're never printing alone. Visit fractal.in to learn more